Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 43-inch garment bag, and we're gonna see this. I don't know what 56 by 110 is. We're gonna open this thing up and see what it looks like, and see if we can stick a garment in it. Comes wrapped all nice and pretty. Man, it looks like there's several of them here. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 of them. And they are this long here. And you can see it's got a little window and a zipper. So we can unzip it. Or is that it? Or I guess it unzips going down. So now it's unzipped. If we have our lovely shirt that we want to stick in there, because this is my lovely shirt, we will stick it through. And it's got the little hole there for the hanger, so you just put the hanger up there. If you were hanging it up somewhere, it would be a little easier to do, but then you just do it like that. And then I'm just gonna stick it right here for a second and zip it up. And there we go. And you can see it's got some good thickness to it. I just put a single shirt in there. You can probably put a whole suit in there or a dress or whatever you want, and it'll hold it. And it's made us a nice thick material here. It's not gonna rip or tear or anything like that very easily. It's great if you wanted to fold it up and stick it in your luggage. You could do that as well, but really nice, and it's gonna keep it protected. And I like the little window in there so you know what's inside of it. Some of the other ones I have don't have a window, so you have no idea what's in it. This one here I'm always gonna know. So I like it. Thumbs up.